Hey guys, it's Duck Days, and this is Turkey. Shadow! Shadow, go get him! Squirrel! I'm barely seeing him. Shadow. Alright, that's it for this episode. I just wanted to say something.